Hey y'all, hey, this is Diamond Painting Cajun. Welcome to my channel. I am going to do a little bit of whip and chat. I'm gonna work on this little Halloween project I have going on. And yeah, we're gonna work on that and chit chat maybe a little bit just for a few minutes so I can get some of this done. Good morning to everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's morning or day, whatever time it is, where you at. I hope y'all day, evening, morning is going great. And I hope everybody's safe, healthy, and so on and so forth. Well, okay, let's get started. I'm gonna work on this. If y'all have any questions, y'all can leave them in the comments below. Pretty new at this, so I'm pretty sure if y'all watched my other videos, y'all know that I'm practicing every day filming so I can get much better for you guys and provide better content for y'all. Yes, I do have a Cajun accent. I am from Louisiana, so there's that. Some of you may not be able to understand me. Some of you may. So, I'm sorry if you can't. That's just how I talk because I'm Cajun. And, you know, yeah. So, there's that. So, I'm going to start. Like I said, I'm new at this. Still new at this. I'm going to be new at this until I get the hang of it. Put it to you like that. Yeah, if you have any tips or tricks to make me feel more comfortable, please leave it down below in the comment section because I am up for any help I can get. Just saying. I'm definitely not as comfortable as I'm sure most of you, because probably most of you already have a channel or just comfortable with these types of things, but I'm not one of those people. I'm just not comfortable. It's not that I'm not comfortable, I'm just scared. I'm scared maybe of, I don't know what I'm scared of actually, but I guess I'll be unafraid after so many times of doing this. I guess it's gonna just come natural, but for now it's not. Anyway, I'm working on this Halloween project, and I do have like Christmas ones coming up I'm gonna do, and I'm trying to do one for fall. Y'all, that one is Fall Y'all 22 is Diamond Grandma. Diamond Grandma is hosting that, or I don't know if she's hosting it or she's putting it on herself, but no, I think it's herself. Yeah, I think she's hosting that one herself. But Diamond Grandma is awesome, and there's so many that are awesome, I can't even name them all, of course. I watch a lot of YouTubers, diamond painting YouTubers, and all of them are awesome. Probably the only one that's not. Yeah. I like diamond painting with the bestie. She's really helpful for me. She came to my channel. She watched my video and she gave me some very helpful tips. And I appreciate her so much for taking her time out of her day to give me some tips. You know, she didn't have to do that at all, but she did, and she has a very busy schedule, and I just really appreciate everyone's help and everyone's tips and tricks, and just to make me feel more comfortable. She really did make me feel comfortable. Yeah. I know I say a lot. It's just it's just something Cajuns do most of the time, I guess. Most of the time. And it's probably because I'm nervous, but you know, Just ignore all the ums I'm saying, okay? But yeah, like I said, Diamond Grandma and Diamond Painting with the Besties. They just have a whole bunch that I watch. Diamonds and Washi. They have just like a whole list. I have so many. I'm subscribed to so many diamond painting YouTube channels. It's ridiculous, but oh well. I love it. So I like to diamond paint. Everybody knows I like to diamond paint. It's a hobby for me. It's relaxing. Yeah, just it's for me. It's something I like to do. It helps with my anxiety. I have severe anxiety. Can you imagine? I'm doing this and I have severe anxiety. And I'm on YouTube. Just saying. Wow. Yeah, well, so that goes to show you right there. If I can do it, anybody can do it, because good Lord. My anxiety is always normally through the roof. It is what it is. But this really helps. Really helps me. Other than that, I don't have too much going on right now. Thank God. My life is usually chaotic. As I'm sure anyone else's, but I don't know what happened right here. But yeah. So what's happening with you guys? Hope everyone is doing good. Like I said, why am I putting this on F? I hope everyone is doing well. I didn't put that on the wrong letter. And I hope everyone's year is doing great as well. This COVID thing, oh my goodness, I'm so glad that it's kind of calmed down. I mean, yeah, they still have people that are catching it and stuff, but I hope they do a lot more research on it and find a solution to that problem. So I have a friend that she almost died. Oh my gosh, she was my best friend actually, and she almost died, and it scared me half to death myself. So I'm sure y'all heard my little dog's little foot taps. He came in here and he's trying to see what I'm doing or who I'm talking to. Hey boy, what are you doing? Hello there. Hey my little man. Oh, you can't see what mommy's doing, huh? Sorry about that, y'all. I had to give him some attention. Yeah, he comes check me out every now and then. Oh, there he goes. He wants something. What do you want? He's talking to me. He's talking to me. He doesn't obviously know that I'm talking to a camera. Yeah, he wants to. He has something to say. He had something to say. What you aggravated for, boy? Huh? What you aggravated for? He's a little chihuahua. He's older. He's like 8. So, yeah, he's spoiled too. Good grief, he's spoiled. So, y'all, the diamond painting community is just awesome. Like, you guys are so awesome. I mean, nobody has, like, ridiculed me, because I know they still have haters. And I'm pretty sure my channel's gonna have haters, but it's okay. What, boy? Sorry about that, y'all. But it's okay. You know, it is what it is. I'm gonna just take it with a grain of salt and just move on. Yeah. I'm just not like that. I'm not a rude person unless you like attack me. And then I'm coming back with something, because I'm not even going to let you get away with that. I'm just saying. But I'm not a troublemaker. I'm too old for that. Good Lord. I just prefer people to keep their hated comments to their self. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say anything at all. That's what my mama used to tell me. Just saying. So I'm just not one of those people that's gonna go on somebody's channel and just be so rude, because they do have those kind of people. I take constructive criticism, but not hatefulness. So I'll be more than happy to take constructive criticism, but don't be mean. That's mean. People's feelings get hurt when they're mean. When other people are mean to them, I really know how that feels, so I just prefer not. To deal with that, you know. So I'm gonna, I've been ordering from different diamond painting companies because I want to do some reviews of the companies. I really want to see what everyone's paintings are like Cool Deals and GBFKE, Amazon. I mean, obviously I've ordered from those two before, Amazon and GBFKE, but I ordered from Cool Deals last night, and I'm finding a few more, and then I'm gonna order from Etsy, different Etsy shops, and review those on this channel, just so everybody can have a little glimpse of like what people have, like what different people have, because some of these small, I should know, because I mean, I'm a small YouTuber. I just started it, and I want to just support the diamond painting community in any way I can. And you know, it's a good way to get the word out there for these small companies and small family owned, or just small shops, should I say. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do reviews and stuff as well on this channel of small shops and small hauls and large hauls, and like I'll do Diamond Art Club, Craftably. I'll do a variety of different, I'm sure as everyone else does, you know. I mean, I've watched a lot of channels, and everyone does different hauls from different things, and I'm gonna do the same. You know, why not? Why not? It gives everyone a chance to. It gives everyone a chance to have their small shops put out there. You know, it's called the diamond painting community, and not just the diamond painting community. There are shops that sell diamond painting related items, and then some, you know, other stuff as well. So it gets their name out there, and I'm just happy to support anybody that I can, because that's just what I do, you know. I'm not a big talker. I'm a people person in person, and can you imagine? I'm not I used to be a really huge, big talker. Like I did retail for 23 years. I was a supervisor in the retail sector, but I was never one to be embarrassed to speak or talk or anything, and now I am. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I have no idea what happened to that. I think my problem is I'm not afraid to talk on here. afraid maybe of what people might say or think, or I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'm really nervous though. I don't know if you can tell, but because I just ramble. Sorry if I'm rambling, y'all. I'll get better. I promise. I just have to practice because I don't want y'all to be bored to death. Okay, I guess that's enough for now, me rambling. This is the diamond painting I'm working on. It's the number is WX767. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter, and I got it from Amazon. And I'm gonna give y'all a peek at it, at what what I have done so far. I'm a slow diamond painter. I'm just saying. That's the thumbnail. These are the schematics, and it does have DMC numbers. And I'm sure y'all seen this one a gazillion times, but I'm just showing y'all mine. And if you liked what you just heard and saw, sorry for the rambling, I apologize again. I'll get better. And excuse me for the dog. He just wants to talk because he hears me talking, obviously. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me, especially if you subscribe and like, share it, pass the word, and Diamond Painting Cajun. And thank y'all for watching.